Tucor's MobileManager is designed as a convenient field tool for monitoring and control, and limits the ability to change system parameters and programs. Navigate to https://tucor.mysrc.online. Type in your MobileManager username and password. For questions regarding your MobileManager login credentials, contact Tucor for more information. Click Submit to log in. You have now successfully logged on and should see a full device list of your controllers. Click on the icon for the controller you want to work with. The server will now establish a connection to the controller. You are now connected and can start working with the controller. Additional operating information can be found in subsequent videos. To return to your list of controllers, reveal the device list button by selecting the arrow icon. You can choose to work with another controller by clicking the icon. The server now connects to the selected controller. Remember to log out by selecting the Log Out button via the arrow icon.